to verify your account on Wise. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to wise.com and log in into your account. So once logged in, you want to choose the send money button here. Just click on it, and from here you want to use the currency you want to send. So if you want to send, if you're sending this to another country, it's gonna be converted to the currency that's they currently have. So right now I have Philippine peso. So once you're good with that, you can just click on continue. And here underneath recipient, you can just choose the recipient. You could add a new contact, but I already have one here. But when you choose a new contact here, you could choose myself or someone else. So just enter your bank name and account number. So once done, you can just choose this person here, and from here there's actually a verification process. So you could either get a link by email, or you could scan a QR code using your phone camera. So we're just gonna choose the get link by email. So once you've done that, you could just go ahead and check your email address or your email account. So this is gonna be the email that we're going to receive for Wise. So it's gonna just say follow these steps to verify your identity using your phone. So you just need to open this email on your mobile device, tap on the button verify your ID below, and just take a clear photo of your ID. Take a photo of yourself and make sure your face is fully visible, and go back to your computer to finish. So you need to open this specific email on your phone and just take a snap or very short photo of your ID, and just upload that image into your verification process for Wise. It's gonna be really easy. You could do it in like a few seconds or few minutes. So once you've done that, you could just need to just click on the I finished verifying, and that should actually verify your account on Wise.